Deep lessons from the book, How to Make People Like You. Number 1. Simply smiling is such a powerful action, both on a physical and subconscious level. Smiling is a known human trait throughout the world, meaning it doesn't matter what culture you're in or what people you're talking to. Smiling makes us feel the same. It's human instinct that we react the way we do when we see someone smiling. Best of all, this has been proven repeatedly, both by personal experiences and scientific studies. Number 2. When you see someone smiling, you automatically take that as the person feeling happy. When it comes to making new friends and connecting with people, this is such an important consideration to take on board. By smiling, you're sharing positive energy with the people around you. This makes them want to approach you, connect with you, and simply be around you more. Just walking into a room and smiling is a great way to initially start a conversation and get people interested in what you have to say. Number 3. There are a few things to think about when it comes to connecting with other people. You need trust on both sides. You need confidence. You need the ability to speak, make the first move, and create some kind of connection that will lead to friendship and beyond. While it may sound a little against the fray, one of the best ways to do this, psychologically speaking, is to ask someone for a favor. Number 4. There's no denying that body language is important when it comes to listening, and any kind of guide to communication you read or listen to will talk about body language. When listening, a great way to improve how much attention you're paying to the other person is to make eye contact with them. We seem to be living in a time where this is much harder than it first seems, and when I was in the depths of suffering from social anxiety, I literally couldn't do it. Number 5. If you want to make friends, you need to work on being yourself, which means stopping all the little lies and just being honest. This means standing up for what you believe in and being true to yourself and your beliefs. If you're able to do this, then eventually, you'll connect with people who share the same beliefs as you, and this is where true relationships are formed. Number 6. Not every person out there will be, nor needs to, be your friend. As an individual interested in making strong relationships with people, you need to be selective with who you're creating these relationships with. You want to befriend people who are good for you and will raise you up to be the best version of yourself, especially since this is what you'll hopefully want to be doing for them. Number 7. To be charismatic is to be more stable and in control of your emotions. Instead of letting them use you like a puppet, you are mindful of them and act with awareness of how you feel. This allows you to become a lot more grounded and rational with everything that happens in your life, and it's an admirable trait to have. Number 8. If you go through life with an impatient attitude, then the only person who will suffer is you. Always take time to see things, even the worst situations, from a peaceful state of mind. This can, admittedly, feel impossible to do sometimes, especially when the people you're interacting with are showing no patience whatsoever. Still, it's always a good idea for your mental well-being to remain cool, calm, and collected.